Hey, Floyd here. There's millions of people out there that are trying to make money online. But what exactly are they trying to sell? Are they just running traffic to somebody else's product and they don't really know much about that product? There's so many people that are not making any money doing this. You've got to do more than just, well, I got a product to sell and I'm just gonna sell it. Even if it doesn't do anything for anybody, I can make a sale. I can convince somebody that this is a good idea. You just can't do it that way. Advertisers will kick you to the curb. And that's why I'm talking about this new, I don't believe anybody else is doing this. I've been trying to do this for over 10 years, trying. Yes, I've been taking this lesson, following this person over 10 years. And all of it seems to have a very similar scenario. They all wanted you to go and recruit somebody that will recruit somebody that will recruit somebody. In actuality, what we're really trying to accomplish is we want to turn satisfied customers into sales representations or what have you, or distributors. If you've got a good product or service that people are getting results for, it's no big deal to sell, because they are going to tell whoever they mingle with that they've gotten results out of trying your product. That's it. That's the person you want on your side, is a satisfied customer. And granted, you don't want an angry customer, because that's really going to burn some bridges fast, because that kind of a message goes really quick. Most people, when they get satisfied with whatever service you provided, they don't necessarily tell it to anybody unless somebody comes up and asks them specifically where they got whatever it was that they got, because you saw the results that they had. So anyways, what you're going to have to understand is that you need to be responsible for what you do online. That's right. You have to put a brand or a name to it in order for advertisers to even want to carry you or promote you. But look, they're trying to run a business as well. And if all you have are a bunch of people that hate your guts, or the product and service that you're trying to push, everyone knows it doesn't actually work, you're going to have a problem. You're going to literally have to sell every single day. Whereas you have happy customers that are getting results, they're going to do it for you while you sleep. That is the automation that you need to understand, and you have to have a domain name attached to it. Some way that you have to show some liability for whatever it is that you're selling. You're going to put your stamp on it and say, nah, I got good results out of this. You can't guarantee if somebody else will, because you don't know if they'll really use the product or use it properly. But at the same time, you're going to know if you've got a good product or you don't. So put your name on it. Put your logo on it. I am going to put a link down below. And this is the man that I'm following. Is he perfect? No. But I like the concept, because the concept is you figure it out for yourself. You don't have to follow him or wait for him. He's just simply going to show you the system that he's using to make the sales that he's making, and he's getting it in front of the people. But you still have to put your brand on it. That's what he's making. He's making all that money. He's the teacher, as it should be. But if you can use his format, his systems to do the same thing, get the same results, and so forth, I think you should give it a shot. So get registered to that webinar down below. I know it was kind of a long, drawn out invitation, but I really want to be passionate about the fact that you've got to do certain things a certain way, or you're not going to make the money that you think you're been promised by whoever it is that you're following, okay? If you got anything I'd dislike and share, and definitely register to get on that webinar. You're not going to get hounded. You're just going to have to take some time and see what the system is. If you don't know, you don't know, right? Thanks.